Oh man, I'm so mad right now. Where's Jeffy? Jeffy! Jeffy! Where are you, Jeffy? I am right here. Where? Jeffy, where are you? Daddy, I'm in the laundry machine. Laundry machine, what? Jeffy! Jeffy, what the hell are you doing? Daddy, I kinda, got myself trapped in here.
Yeah? Yeah?
What?
No?
You got trapped? Who told you?
Middle?
Who told you to get in there? Some kid?
Okay.
Some kid? What does he look like? What's his name?
Okay.
I think his name was Bully, and he looked like 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 a black one, like a black, like a black, like a blackie. Jeffy, you cannot say that. Why not, Daddy? That's racist. But Daddy, he is black. So we don't discriminate over skin color. But Daddy, he is. Believe me, Daddy. Fine, Jeffy. I'll believe you. Hold on. I'll get you in a bit. Why is it working? Why isn't it working? Come out. Come out. I don't feel too good. Daddy, okay? It's not working. Wait, Daddy, I know what to do. Daddy, what the hell? Are you freaking high? I'm trying my best here. Why is it working? Oh, it's open. There, Jeffy, got you out. Yeah, thanks, Daddy. You're very welcome, Jeffy. Daddy, I kind of left a surprise in the line machine. Can you get it for me? Fine, Jeffy. I'll get it for you. Alright, Jeffy. Where is it? It's right there, Daddy. In there. Alright. Alright, I'm in. Now what? Jeffy, what the hell? Haha, Daddy. So you know what that means? I can play Fortnite all day, every day, 24/7, 365. Well, you tell me what to do, Daddy. Ha 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 ha. Freaking nerd. Ha ha ha. Dang it, Jeffy. One day I'll get out. Jeffy, one day I'll break out of here. I'm gonna ground you. Yeah, push this.